Fall like a dog. Come on.
Yeah, get back in there as quick as you can. Adam's up there by himself.
That was full. Holy fuck, man. They're coming the whole way back here. Do it? They're just floating the whole way back here. Alright. That's not right on my arse. Ouch.
Go get some payback. Friendly, what the fuck are you gonna do back there? Get up there.
What the hell is he doing?
Boys, move up. Give your guys some cover. Fuck, there's 3 guys behind one bunker. Get up there.
1 minute to respawn.
Ah, you're good. Get up there and support Adam. That's game! That's game!
No, do they have it at the bunker?
I don't know, I'm asking you.
No, they got it. They got it in the tin barrels. The bunker's in the tin barrels, eh? Further, right
Exactly, am I protecting?
Run up there. You got it, because they got the bunker, they got the thing in there.
Oh my God.
Apparently they got the briefcase up at the bunker.
They got it at the tin bunker on the left. The guy he had it in the shot, he dropped it.
Who's the bunker?
Guys, we all gotta move up. They got the briefcase past the center point. Move up.
It's our guys. It's our guys.
Our guys have it?
Yeah.
Oh. He just told me they had it.
They have it in
Oh, there they go. There they go. They got it. Game! Game!
Man, I was running right behind you and I got tipped off right in the throat. Right away.
Close that window. Wet.